Hi students, what I would like to do today is to show you how to make a Google drawing. Now if you are the moderator of the group, you go into your Drive. Everyone who has a Gmail account has Drive, and you'll need a Gmail account for this. You go, in order to get into your Drive, you see these little square things. When you click on it, one of the options is Drive, okay? So I'm in my Drive. I click on New, and I go to More, and the second one down is Google Drawings. I choose Google Drawings. It's already in a shared folder, but I'll explain how that works. Now I've got this untitled drawing. I'm going to give it a name. Let's say I'm teachers group, okay, and I've got a board in front of me, which is basically going to be your poster. And what you're going to do, each of you, is to make a poster of your names. Now some of you know the meaning of your names, some of you have a reason you were given your names, and the idea is to use pictures and words to add to it. So for example, I can take a text tool and decide that I'm going to put mine in this corner here. Okay, I choose my text box. Elaine comes from Greek and means light. I'm named after my great-grandmother. Estelle. How do you spell it? I don't know. Something like that. Estelle. Maybe like that. Okay, so I've written something. I can make the writing better, bigger. I can change it to word art if I want to make it into word art. I can have a link going out from here to somewhere else, adding images, lines, etc. Okay, so this is what I've written. I suppose I should make it a bit nicer so it doesn't look that bad. So I can also use obviously all the things that we're used to. I can change the color, and I can change the size. Then I have to change the size of the box. Okay, there are 6 people that have to go in, so you have to leave space for everybody. And then and I can change the style of the writing. Okay, and I've got all these different options in English, which are quite nice because I'm more in English than Hebrew. And then I'm going to add a picture to this, so I can do insert and have a picture ready made, which I don't have. You can drag an image here, you can take a snapshot, you can take from your albums, from your Google Drive. What I want to do is to choose an image and put an image here. And if I've got anything ready, my pictures, something recent. Okay, let's say I'm taking this, even though it's got nothing to do with me, but I'm going to just want to show you how it happens. I upload the picture, and the picture's here. Let's say this is a picture of light, which I should have, and I can make the picture smaller, play around with it. Now everybody does this in their group, and then you can see if there are any sort of connections between. You could be very artistic and have all the names of the people going around in a circle, or mess around with it afterwards. I'm sure some of the group are artistic more than others. So if you're, you can work on this together. You can work on this at the same time. You can have different image options. You've got all this crop, so you can actually cut the picture to make it different sizes. All different things you can do together. It's a bit like a Google document, but it's a bit more fun. You can play around with the page. So when you're finished, all you have to, if you're the group leader, the most important thing is to share it. So you click on share, and you add the email addresses of all your group members. Now you can find this out easily by going into who's in my group and clicking on each person, and you get their email. So So this is how you do it. You put in their emails, make sure they have and then choose can edit. Or the other option is get a shareable link and copy this link onto your forum that we've opened for you, your group forum, to tell all the other group members this is where you're to go in. Okay, so you've got both options, or adding it here or giving a link, and anyone who has the link can view. If you want them to add something, you have to say anyone with the link can edit. Okay, so anyone with this link is able to edit. That's very important. And when you've done that, you do done, and they will get okay, if you send it to their emails, they get it. Otherwise you put it on the forum. I hope that's clear. And then when you finish, you have to put the link on the forum so we can all see what you've done, or you can share it with us, with your group lecturer, so we can go over it. Okay, thank you all very much. I hope that's clear, and you know how to do your Google Draw.